To edit your photos by using AI on the Redmi Note 15, you can quickly do this by opening the gallery. Now just pick the photo that you want to edit. So in my case, I would like to edit, for example, this one. Now we have to click on this icon over here and take a look. Right now, when you click on this AI Beautify mode over here, wait a minute, here you can find it. It was already changed. And when you zoom in the specific part of the photo, you can even click here to see the difference on the photo. So in my opinion, the photo that was edited by AI looks better. And we can still adjust this. So you can make those changes by using this slider, and it's gonna change those parameters here: exposure, brightness, contrast, lightness, highlights, shadows, light range, just basically every photo parameter AI gonna actually adjust. And you can, it's gonna change, and you can adjust it to your preferences. And if you want to apply those changes, you just have to click Save button in the right upper corner.